Over the past few million years, Homo sapiens has become the dominant species on Earth.
Since our last visit, the relationship between humans and their biodiversity has profoundly changed.
3, 2, 1, landing. Welcome to Earth.
Earthlings destroy their forests faster than they can grow, to use the land for intensive farming.
The atmosphere here depends on the proper levels of CO2.
While many forms of pollution emit excessive amounts of this gas and raise the temperature of the planet, trees have the power to absorb it.
Some Earthlings join forces to reforest their land. In Tongchong, China, 150,000 hectares of forest have been restored with the help of the local population. In Liangshan, 10 million trees have been planted to the delight of the inhabitants. Over the next 30 years, those trees will absorb 1 million tons of CO2. China is the world's largest emitter of carbon dioxide, but also its biggest absorber.
You're Homo sapiens or you're a flop.
In Brazil, a couple of visionary Earthlings called Salgado decided to bring life back to the dried soil of 1,800 acres of farmland. In 15 years, they planted 2.5 million trees. 297 species have returned to the Salgado farm.
A small number of inspired Earthlings have the capacity to change their world.
Everyone for one world.